So I've been repairing this cigar for months, slowly trying to get this thing back into smoking order. This is a Cuban Cuaba. Take a look at this. And it was all unraveled. You can see where all the damage is. You see some of the repairs here. And I think this is the last step. I'm going to use the sealant, extra thick cigar glue to finally finish it off. Introduce. Oh, damn! I can't believe they got me all in the face. All right, now I know what they're talking about. But yeah, this is extra thick, gooey. Thank you for messing me up. I think it got in my mouth. Fortunately, it's non-toxic, as it should be. And what I'm going to do is just put this on the entirety, is that a word? Of the cigar. I should have taken some pictures of it prior. Look at that big hole right here. But yeah, I'm just going to do the whole cigar. I'm sure there's better ways, but I don't have a... I mean, I think you can rewrap the whole thing. Oh, look at that. It started to come out right there. That's why I'm doing the whole thing. So it's going to have a glaze on it. I'm going to leave the band there. That's probably holding all that together. Matter of fact, I'm just going to go over the band as well. Yeah, this was severely dried up, and it's now been in my humidor. This is probably a fourth time bringing it out, and I'm slowly repairing it. So this will be the last time I touch it, and then I'm gonna smoke it. It'll go back in the humidor for maybe another couple weeks at least. But yeah, this is looking really good. Wow. I'm just gonna hold on to the band. I'm just gonna do down here also. So I had a little bit of damage down here. It had a little bit of damage down here. You can see it right there. But plenty. Yeah, you can see that right there. Look at that. Lots of glue there. Oh yeah. Let's see here. How can I... Let's go let it stand up on its end. I'm gonna go ahead and use my lighter. Help it stand up. There we go. What do you think? Well, I hope you like that.